LifePod can be used with and without a battery. Without a battery, the side compression latches provide a water-resistant storage option that floats, is dust-proof, and airtight. Install a 9-volt alkaline battery to take full advantage of LifePod's features and securely lock and unlock the unit as needed. To install the battery, open the unit and locate the battery compartment near the control panel. Press the tab to remove the cover, pull out the wired connector, and clip in your battery. You'll hear LifePod's welcome chime and the keypad will light up. Place the battery in the compartment, making sure the ribbon is tucked under the battery for easy removal. Snap the cover back in, and you are ready to program your master code.